Okay, got my valve turned back on, got my humidity crank back up, got the wires rewired, valve back on, and there we go. The water's back. So now we'll have some humidity again. Just make sure the bottom there's a drain that frame here is stuck into that so it can drain out, because it's going to drain a bunch of extra down into the floor drain. So just make sure that's not leaking. We got the tray up top is full of water, draining like it should. Let's put this cover back on. Make sure it's snapped on the top and the bottom. Set for winter. That must be the filter. I must have replaced it at one time. So that is a filter for the aprilaire humidifier that goes on a gas furnace. So the CLR worked really good. Just sprayed it in that valve a couple times, rinsed it out, and took that water buildup right out of there. Probably not even a half hour's worth of work, and we got some humidity again.